What's up, guys? So on today's video I decided to trade USD and JPY. So the reason I trade those currency pair on Forex, because they were the currency pair which I see them moving better than other pairs which I trade for this week, because there was a lot of news and the market was not going as smooth as normal, or the way we normally see how the market works. And remember, I've stated before, the market is being moved by the banks, so we can't move the market. And lastly, I also just spice it up my setup with a Fibonacci tool. So yeah, along the way, guys, on this journey based on teaching you Forex, guys, I will give you all the tools, or I will show you all the tools that I use to trade. So today, guys, I won't be really long because due to the time. So I think we will trade GBPJPY. So let's start from the bigger time frame. And by the way, guys, this week the market was not going as planned, because as I stated, banks are the one who control the market, not us. So some of the trades this week I caught them, some of them they didn't go well because due to the Ukraine and Russian issues. But let's start from daily. So daily we are on the buyers market, and it's been, you see, buyers started to dominate from here. So we won't hold our trade for too long today. So due to that, buyers have started long time, maybe it was Monday if I'm not mistaken, when the buyers started to dominate. Also on 4 hour, also even on 1 hour we are on the buyers market, then on 30 minutes we are on buyers market, and 15 minutes. So these two horizontal lines, so this is my support level structure and this is my resistance level structure. As soon it breaks out above this support level structure, we're going for buy, and I won't hold it for long because my TP, I will put it here. So this is, it will be my take profit. Let me see how many pips are there. So it will be 29 pips. It's better than nothing, because it depends with the lot size that you make your entries. And also let me check another pair, but GBPJPY is the one that we will trade. And remember, my trade, I take them at 10 a.m. in the morning, but this one I think we will take it early before 10 a.m. because now this candlestick is about to break this support level structure, but I'm not sure. Let us wait for it to break out, and the next candle has to start after this support level structure. But it seems that we are going for buy. And also on GBP CAD, let's see from the bigger time frame. And by the way, the reason I'm stating the trades for this week was not as well as I expected is because there were a lot of news. On daily GBP CAD, sellers are dominating, and on 4 hour also sellers are dominating. Also on 1 hour sellers are dominating, and as you can see down here below, guys, there's a lot of news. Sorry, those are one of the SMSs which I normally get when I'm about to receive money, so please ignore that SMS. Also, so from daily to 15 minutes on GBP CAD, sellers are dominating, and also there's a lot of news. So I think we will stick on JPY, because even yesterday I tried to trade it because I just scalped for that 29 pips. As you can see, I caught it as soon it breaks out and retest, then I went for buy, and as soon it touches it, I just take my profit because the market this week was not going so well for me based on the currency pair that I trade, because I stated I trade London session. And also on, let's check on GBPJPY 1 hour. Let me draw a fib. I'll also make a video for giving you a platform how to trade a fib. So this is the golden zone. And remember, the fibs qualifies from daily, 4 hour and 1 hour, but I will do a video for it based on the Fibonacci only. So this is the golden zone. As you can see, the market is busy retesting or ranging on the top of the golden zone. So as soon it breaks this support level structure, we're going for buy. I won't hold it for long, because even on JPY there's a lot of news, guys. Let's see on 1 hour, so it can be easy. You see, there's a lot of news, but as I stated, I won't be long. So this is the currency pair we will trade. Let's hold and see if ever we will get some TP, take profit or whatsoever. Golden zone. Let me put it here so you can see. I believe you can see it, guys. So I'll catch up with you later on today, as the time now it's around about 7:30 in the morning in South African time, if I may say. Also, yeah, I will update you guys later this afternoon how was the trade setup, because also gold, let's check gold. So on daily we are on the buyer's market. 4 hour sellers are starting to dominate, even or on 1 hour buyers are dominating 30 minutes. And there's a lot of news, by the way. The sellers are dominating even on 15 minutes. So on this one I won't trade, but yesterday I tried to get some TP as I traded. So as you can see, it breaks out and try to retest this resistance. Yeah, I will say a resistance level, because it was support when it breaks out. Then it come again to test that resistance level and shoot up. So how many pips I caught here? It was 149 pips. So basically when it says 1141, you minus that one and put it into the nearest 100, so meaning it's 150, if I may say. So these are the trades that I caught yesterday, and it was Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Also there was some of the news there, but I'm not quite sure. But today, guys, I will just trade JPY. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way, and comment down below if ever you need me to do a video whereby I need to teach you how to set up the Fibonacci tool, how to use it, and how to see the golden zone, and how to trade based on the golden zone. Thanks. Bye. Okay guys, what's the time now? It's 22 minutes past 6. I just want to give you a quick update about our trades from the morning. As I stated that the market was ranging in between this support level and the golden zone. As you can see, at 7:45 the market started to shoot up. Put my take profit here. Even though it didn't come to touch that take profit, I managed to get some profits, which I think, let me see, so the pips were 25.3 pips. That's better for nothing compared to getting a loss. So as soon as it started to shoot back down to the support level where it becomes a resistance level, that's where I took my TP. So I just caught 25 pips for the day. But however, late on this same day, it started to shoot up again. So as you can see, it crossed over to my take profit and still going up. Even though it ranged a little bit, then it shoot up again. And what's the time where it started to shoot up? It was 3 o'clock. So in the Eastern time, when it says 8, it means 3 to us in the South African time. So I also caught USD. As you know, in the morning I left this trade in this way. So when it breaks out on this trend line, I told myself, let me wait until it breaks this resistant level. But eventually, I knew that it will come to retest whether the trend line or the support level. So on this candlestick right here, let me zoom in. This candlestick, I placed my order for sell. So from here, let's see how many pips, and eventually it was 11 o'clock, because remember at 3 we were expecting news, and 3 on the South African time it's 10 o'clock, so 4 in the Eastern time it's where the market start to move, which is GBP USD, and 4 in the Eastern time, remember it's 11 o'clock on the South African time. Let's see how many pips we caught here. So I took my profit on the second retest, so here, so it's 32 pips. So remember, I caught GBP USD and GBPJPY because I knew this is what it's going to happen. And remember, as I stated in the beginning of the video, I will never hold my trades. I will just scalp for those profits, then I'm out for the market for a day, because this week the market was not going very well or the way we expected. And I also stated we are not the one who control the market. Let me guys check the other pairs. So GBP CAD, okay, I just put this trend line in the afternoon, but eventually I was not around at home. Also GBP order, I don't think I did make any setup, because I've noticed when I was outside I was supposed to put this trend line and here. So meaning this was the wedge. This is the wedge that I saw before I left at home. So I think the wedge moved early in the morning while I was busy informing you guys that we will trade for USD or JPY. But however, I don't mind by losing this, because eventually I caught USD and JPY. Remember, I told you before, I trade GBP CAD, GBP odd, GBP JPY, GBP USD, and on gold, and gold was not going very well, and I also didn't put the setup, because I've stated this is the setup which I did in the morning, and I finished trading around about, let me see, this was the second, so meaning I finished my trades at 1:30. Yeah, 1:30, exactly 1:30. That's where I stopped my trade. That's why I took my take profits. As I stated, that I scalped the GBP USD and GBP JPY, because this week the market was not going very well as normal, because due to the crisis of Russia and Ukraine. Other than that, guys, I will also update you furthermore with other trades. And don't forget to like the video and comment down below if you were inspired with this video. Also, let me know about the golden zone which I used. As you can see, the market ranged in between the golden zone and the support level. It tried to break out, but it came back to support in this golden zone, which I used the Fibonacci, as you can see on the video in the beginning. Then it couldn't break down below the golden zone, because if ever it break down the golden zone, we were going for sell, but eventually it came back and retest for the last time the golden zone, then it shoot up. So comment down below if you want me to do a video whereby I will teach you how to use golden zone, how to mark up your golden zone, and how to trade on the golden zone. We as hustlers, we don't compete, we dominate. Kingpin signing out. Peace.